All right, welcome everyone. How are you guys all doing today? I figured I'd drop in really quick for a little secret session action here. I had this last night. Let's take a look at what the Vamp was calling last night. I said, crap, right? So this was like 1 o'clock in the morning. So, where are we at here? Oh yeah, I was about to get stomped out of my TRX trade, which I didn't. I'm still in that long on TRX. It still hasn't taken me out yet. But here's a 6 hour BTC. So basically, we had this very, very, very bearish double doji down combo. It was super easy. I did share my charts. I actually opened up a second. I increased my position. Let's go back over here. I did increase my position right here. Need to stupid thing. So here, yeah, you see I had my short on from where this is where I added. Where to go? This is where I added on. So I was this was my short entry. My from the very tippy top right there, the last tippy top we just had. And then I added on 7,500 more contracts. So there you can see I now have 10,000 contracts I'm holding on to. I am going to move those babies into profit. And looking good on this. So it was a great call, great setup. Did exactly what I expected. Had this chart over here. Unfortunately, I don't know how it fell off, but I mean, just looks absolutely perfect. Now, as you watch this is playing out very similar to what this is doing. Look, same candles, right? Long drop. So you basically had the long drop. Then you have this spinning top style candle. And we're going to see if we can pull back out of this. So this is on the 4 hour. So we're going to see if we can pull back out of this. Yeah, right now I'm questioning a lot of the volume, right? So I'm really going through the volume and I'm questioning a lot of this volume. Here's our 4 hour. So you see we had this ramped up bearish volume here. This is dying off. Then all of a sudden it just came out of nowhere, put in a Maraboozle candle. Now Maraboozle candles often on drops like this will be bullish, right? Or the reverse of what they are. So we dropped into a spinning top candle. And then, we had this. Now the bulls and the bears were just fighting it out. Not quite a long-legged doji, more of a spinning top, which does show up pending reversals coming. Now, really, I'm just watching the volume. I want to see how this volume plays out. Let's jump this up to the 6 hour. Okay, now the 6 hour, you've got more time left in the 6 hour. You're 4 hours deep on this baby. And we're watching. Now, I like to put in the low candles like this. The candles on the bottom side when I see falls. I like these candles down, these wicks down here on the bottom of the candles. This gives me more bearish confidence as the fall progresses, right? See these big wicks right here? And it just kind of keeps going, right? And we came all the way down. Now, we did get a long call on the scalper on the 6 and the 12 hour. So we got that both on both the 6 and the 12 hour. It's trying. Now, this is only a scalping tool. So you just, you would have scalped off a really nice scalp here from bottom to top. And we are on a 9. So we're on a 12 hour 9. We're on a 6 hour, not doing anything for us. 6 hours got plenty of room to go either way. 4 hours got plenty of room to go either way. But now we just got on a 9. We're on a 9 on pretty much every exchange on the 12 hour. There's your 9, there's your 9. These are imperfected 9s. All right, and our daily is just, gosh, damn, this thing is just so oversold in the TD category. It's just so insanely sold. Now, putting in another doji candle right here, putting in another spinning top candle right here would give me, I don't know, it would just not look good. It would just not be good because we should have been bouncing already. Yeah, we got a really nice little bounce, right? We got a really nice little bounce. I had this resistance area marked. We came right up into this resistance, then formed out this double doji, and it was just boom. And I mean, this is a lot weaker than I expected. I'm still looking for, or was looking for, ABC right here. Now this top resistance line right here also I had, if I go back a couple charts, I did have my damn arrow over here, which I then moved. I had this falling out from here. I then moved this back up here, but this was your resistance line, right? Came up, almost looked like you did a double top up here, right? And then we fell out. Now this is a super deep fall. This is still a legitimate, but the problem is you can also go like this. You can go A, B, and C. You go A, B, C, and then this would be almost a truncated 5 possibly. Maybe it was trying to do this. A, B, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, hit a truncated 5, died, and just, or a double topish right there, and then just died out. Now that could have been our play right there. We could have been, that was it. And this is a wave 4, because I've been saying, I said either this is a wave 4 or a wave 5. Okay, this could be making a wave B. So I've also been saying this could be a wave 5 here, right? And then this would just be your 1, 2, 3, 4, looking for wave 5 down here. So this still could just be a wave 5. I mean, I still had this as an ABC, right? Not of the bigger structure. You have to break 4,400 for this to be a bigger structure, the full fall, right? So what do you have to have is if this is your impulsive wave, right, all the way down here, from here, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I think they were still in this, right? If you're looking at this is the end of the 5 wave of possibly your, look, 1, 2, 3, 4, wave 5 ends, right? An ABC, this would be an insanely weak ABC right here, because you'd be looking to take from the top here to the bottom here, and you want through. You're looking for at least a 236 reversal here, right? And we put that over on our other charts. Where's that other chart at? Right here. So you want at least a 236 reversal back up here before you fall out. If this is our wave, if this is the end of a wave 5 here. Now this can just be the wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what I still think this is just a wave 3 of 5. But this also could be an unfinished wave 3, right? You could still be unfinished here and drop down and be willing to tap the 200, which is also not looking good right now at this point, because it can clearly break down. Now we also have our pennant, our flag, right? There's our flag, up, down, hit the bottom, dropped out. Now I could still see this, right? So as our flag target, this thing could still just keep dropping lower. You know what I'm saying? This baby could still drop even lower. You could still just be looking for, all the way down here into our flag. You're just repeating this flag target as this baby's falling out. I do have this all the way down to 2,750. So I didn't want to draw it down there, but this would be your look. Your look would be something like this. Now this did coming back up here and retesting the bottom of this wedge and getting rejected is very, very bearish, right? This is very bearish to come all the way up here and reject this bottom of this wedge, right? That's not good at all. Just shows that this is possibly, same thing. It's like a symmetrical triangle. Once it falls out, it retests, and then it just falls deeper, right? Our issue is we're just trying to find some buying volume here, some committed buyers, and I'm not seeing them, right? I'm just not seeing a lot of committed buyers. We go over here, take a look. We did break this resistance, this 2014 resistance. Now this can roll up and roll back over, and you'll never even see this. Bearish volume bearish volume has been decreasing. This is our 12-hour chart right here. So there's our 12-hour chart. We have been in a decreasing bear mode, bearish volume. We do have 2 hours. We got 4 hours. Ooh, we got 4 hours left in this. So we did tick back up on this 12-hour candle. This 12-hour candle could come up here and top out again. So that is increasing bearish volume. USDT, just an absolute nightmare. I don't know if anybody saw the article that I had posted a long time ago. I'm sorry, a Twitter post. I made a Twitter post that I put up. It's been a long time. It's long time in crypto, that is. Here it is, right? Here's my post. I said exchanges, these are the 4 things we look to happen in 2019. I didn't realize they were going to start happening now. Number 2 is exchanges will expand fiat and multiple pair trading, right? And sure enough, there it is, CZ. Good job, CZ, buddy. This is really smart. So CZ, just look at him. They're doing what I expected them to do. They're going to move away. They're distancing themselves from Tether. Now this is a warning shot for everybody. You better pay a damn attention to this because Tether is very toxic right now. You guys need to be aware that Tether is super toxic. And people ask me, what are the 4 exchanges you think are going down? I said, Kraken, KuCoin, Phoenix, and USDT are all in the crosshairs, right? They're all inside those crosshairs. So I would be very careful with any of those exchanges. Just make sure you guys are ready. I don't think they'll shut them down. You won't have a chance to get your money out, but they will shut them down like they did OneFox. OneFox had plenty of time to get their money. Everybody got their money off the exchange. I was on it. I know I got my money off, okay? We're coming back down. Didn't quite get down to these lower support levels a second time, but just very weak, right? Just really weak here, right? Look, we bounced, came all the way back up right into this resistance, tapped it absolutely to the perfect little penny. Let's go over and see where there's our resistance band right there, right? There's the lower end of our resistance. There, I have this band right here. Right, we came right up to it, right? Bam, look at that. Just right into the bottom of that and then fell out. Now, yeek, a mouse. So here is still my, this is still my thunk. I'm not changing anything. Now, we did get the bounce out of here. Came up to the target. I'm going to scoot my arrows over just a little easier like this. Okay. I did expect for us to break out. It did not happen. And there we go. Now this is now turned into resistance. As you can see, that turned into resistance on the top side. And there we go. That just played out perfectly on that top side break there. Same thing here. It came right up into this area, resistance, and rejected right out. Now I'm going to slide my arrow over, so don't troll me. But that's kind of effing perfect right there, right? Kind of effing perfect. Okay, so there we go. I'm going to scoot both those arrows over there, but just throwing it out there, that kind of worked out really nice. Now, there's nothing that says we can't bounce one more time out of here, but the bears are clearly not giving up, right? And the bulls are just not stepping. Actually, I would have to say that the bulls are the ones who are not stepping up to the plate. It's not the bears, right? Bulls couldn't break. Okay, so we're going to scoot along right here real quick, chalking money flow. Yeah. J-hook pattern, nothing's happened. Now, look at this. We continue to go up here. Right? We continue to go up. We have not done a J-hook yet. We have not hooked this baby yet. Right? Look at this. Look at this baby just keep running. This is insanely bearish, guys. I can't even tell you. This is not good. Right? MACD is not good. Right? The price goes down. The indicator goes up. This is bad, right? So this is like we've said though, you can go up and you're still going down. Every single one of these little green circles here, green squares, says the indicator goes up, price goes down. Very bad. Look, indicator goes up, and this price just dies, right? Now we've come down here. We haven't hooked yet. We are going to get a hook. We're going to put in one of these little bitty baby hooks here, right? And when we do, it's going to be super viciously ugly, right? That's why I'm saying I still think, we get up here. I was hoping we get up here because I want to see this. I want to see this little reset, right? We're just not resetting, for God's sakes. We're not resetting, and it's crazy, right? We want to reset. Not good at all. Tapped on this resistance line right there. Look at this. Could not get up over this resistance line right here, right? The import of having supports and resistances, and there it is, right? We just couldn't get past that 62, right? I have this right here, right? I have 57, right? And this is it. You see this line right here, right there. Look, close, open, close, wick. We just couldn't get through it. Too much. But we need to, maybe one more poke down is what I'm thinking, and then get our bounce off, man. I really want to reset the daily. Our RSI rolling right back freaking over. So now we have the RSI rolling right back over on us, going for another test. It's trying, once more, that just says RSI. Exactly. That's right, Johnny. It's like Groundhog Day. It's like Jesus. Just actually this one, just won't reset. We just every day, same thing. All right, 12-hour, no, fine, right? I say the 12-hour likes to go deep and do a purple bear bounce. Okay, so listen, we bounced up. And how we bounced is super crazy, right? Look at 1, 2, 3 touches down there. That's really crazy. Bounced up, and it's trying to roll over back down. Now, when you do bounce down here, it's very bearish, but we're going to go up to the daily time frame. So the daily on Phoenix has not touched the lower low, okay? Daily ADX USDT, not to the lowest low support, okay? Yeah, Malik, I know, my BTC. Oh, look at that Oh, look at that. All right, so this has got to hold. This has got to hold over here. So I said, hey, this is the end of wave 3. There's your support right there. All right, I was wrong. There's your support. Should have gone like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if this doesn't hold, and I think this is the critical place right here for SV. It's got to hold this support right here to be a wave 5 up. I'm just waiting for this to see if it holds this support so we can get one more kick in the pants back up here. I did get stopped out, so I had my short. I had a little baby long on this thing. I made like $500. It was all right. So I had a long. I got stomped out of it, and just waiting to re-enter this on the dip. I'd like to buy back on the dip here. Sorry to get off topic. Yeah, where we at? Sorry, okay, so there's the daily USDT. Now, check out the daily USD. Damn, right? Damn. So this is the daily USD. We have now broken the lowest low. Broke the lowest low. I feel like this is like the RSI, right? So you're so deep right now. I don't even know where this thing's going to stop on the daily. I honestly don't. And at this point right now, I predict even if this bounces up, I need to see a strong bounce, right? I really need to see a strong bounce on this. Now, I'm going to show you some good news here, okay? This is the good news, all right? This is the second coming of baby Jesus down over here. Baby bull Jesus is right here. Here's the first coming of baby bull Jesus. We have dropped out dramatically. Look at how far we just fell out right here, right? We fell way out. I'm going to slide this line down a little bit because this would act as support right here, right? So look at how far we have come down. We've come way, way down here, right? We've come way down. Actually, I'm going to do this. I'm going to add a second line. Right, because it is right. Not really. Yeah, kinda. So what I'm looking for is there's a little baby blue dot right here, a darker dot. It's hard to see it. It's right there. It's not what I wanted. I wanted this. Okay. So look, there's a darker little dot right here, right? This is the end of the daily right here, right? And I'm just going to put that line. I want to put one line right there, right? And we put another line right at the bottom right there of this tick. Okay, I'm going to lock these in place. And then you got this little tick right here. We're right on this daily tick. So we're not quite, so there is a little bit of support at that tick right there. We didn't get it on the way right here though. We definitely get it right here. But listen, we are coming hardcore down, right? We're so close to baby bull Jesus, right? Like we're getting so close, and I need to lock that in. So baby bull Jesus is so close down here. We're getting there, people. It's happening, right? I can see baby bull Jesus from here, right? I can see him from here. We're getting closer. Okay, that's great. That's the good news. That's really good news for us. Baby bull Jesus, he's coming. I think one more big fallout. I mean, 3K. 3K could do it, peoples. 3K could do it. We talked about the weighted moving average, TSI, and how it likes to do a fake out, right? Just wait for it. Wait for it, right? It loves to do. See all these yellow boxes right here? These are all fake outs. Okay, so I'm telling you, you just got to wait for it. And then I didn't mark them up top. So you just got to wait for all of these little fake outs right here. Historical volatility. See, I told you, look, it just keeps going. Now we're just, let's see here. Nope. I don't like this either. I mean, you do have a rejection right there, but I don't see a lot of correlation right there. I don't think it's going to stop there. We could go a little bit higher. Okay, look at 2014 over here. Now, when we did finally found baby Jesus, look at this is what we did. We made this. This thing kept going and going and going. This is baby bull Jesus right here. Right? This is it. This is where he was found. So this thing can go, this thing can go like this. Look at that. Woo! That's a doozy up there. It's a do. Hey, you know what? I see a trend line. I see a trend line. Let's do this. I like that. Boy, that looks pretty damn good right there. Right? We're going to label this. Baby bull Jesus. Has a nice trend line, right? Very nice. That's good. I like it. You know, we could probably get in here and do, just kind of squeeze this off, kind of maybe partial way. So what we'll do is we'll actually go over here and put a target. Put a target right there. There we go. I like it. All right, scoot along. Longs to shorts, shorts to longs. Longs are dropping. Shorts are in a zigzag pattern. It looks like a bullish This looks like a bullish wedge, and this doesn't look good at all. And look at this. Oh, look at my price action coming down here, following one of my squiggles, looking good. It looks, this thing can just keep going deeper. All right. And oh, sorry. Let me do this. Yeah, I see it dumping. This is why the vamp enters the short for the win. All right. Yep. To shorts. Shorts equals, what do we got? We got a bullish flag on shorts, right? Shorts are getting close to the RSI danger area. Oh my God, my short on should be huge right now. My short should be very nice. All right, so there we go, and just ugly, lots of more of ugly. Like the Stoke still has room to go here. We just got a little bit of room left on this Stoke right here to find the historic low. Now, if you take a look back here, we could go all the way back to the beginning, right? And there's the beginning right there. We're going to make this that. We're going to make this this. There's the beginning, right? Look at that. There's the very beginning on the Stoke back into history. So we're close. We're very close to a double bottom here on the Stoke. And now the Stoke also is an indicator that, oh, and there goes my alarms. My alarms are going off. There's my alarms. That says, oh crap, vamp. Oh crap. All right. So Stoke is very, very close to a weekly support level, a lower, and we hit the historical low. All right, looking good. The monthly is absolutely freaking insane, guys. I mean, I don't even know what to say about the monthly here. It just broke out of the bottom. It's in a wedge. It just keeps going. All right, let's go over here. Coming back down to test our lows again, are still our lowest target. We've said this, our lowest target is to get all the way down here inside of this box somewhere. It's pretty freaking brutal. All right. And where are we at? Oh, look at that. Check it out. Our RSI, we just absolutely tapped right down on support. This is the weekly again. So the weekly on Bitstamp, right? The weekly on Bitstamp is, we have come down and tapped on support. So there's Baby Bull Jesus right there. And we've just tapped on that lowest support line right there on the weekly. Golly, just so low again. SD on the sold support now. Yeah, somebody's dumping. I think it's the tether issues, right? There's that, there's this. Look, went up, could only get up there, bounced down. And I did pull a bounce play, so I did do a bounce play right here. And I did make 500 bucks, and then I got shorted out. I'll show it. All right. Golly, look at this. Look at this line just keeps dumping hard. I got the guys in my ear. All right, the guys are all, they're beeping me over on this side. Okay. It just shows you hit resistance. And dump. All right, and your next support, like you still have to break this lower low, right? You still, look, we're back on support right here, right? Sitting on support again. Right on it. So we're sitting right on support again. Welcome, Happy. Hey, Alex. Awesome, buddy. So look, we're like right, there's the support. We're right underneath that support line right there. It's got to hold or it's got to give. We're going to see what's going to play out right here. And I do have both USD and USDT. So look, there's USD. There's Phoenix. Phoenix has not come down and retested the lower support yet. But we definitely did on USDT. I'm on USD. Okay, let's take a look one more time. Yep, there's our support line. And up and down. Let's see if this plays out. Right? Same here. Right? All right. All right, looks good, guys. Yeah, finance is just, the USDT thing is just a nightmare. Listen, guys, expect for Binance to probably get rid of USDT very, very soon, or it'll just go to the back burner, right? I truly think that USDT is being dumped off right now by the exchanges. It's very toxic to their books. It's very toxic to everything that they have right now. So I would just be very, very, very careful, okay? Be very, very careful. Watch out for Binance. I don't think Binance has an issue. I don't think Binance is going to have any issue at all with the SEC or anybody like that. Their only issue will be having to explain how they're tied up with Tether. And that will be the only things. Like, they're going to just, if they really dig into them, they're going to say, well, why were you taking this Tether? And what exactly were you doing with it? So I listen, you guys know where our low targets are. I've always said this is an ABC. Let's see if we can hold here at this final level down here. If not, we're going down to the final targets. Can I see your alert setup? Yeah, bro, I have, guys, I use Crypto Pro app for my warnings. Yeah, so I use Crypto Pro app. Listen, everybody, I am going to get out of here. I just want to do a really quick video. This probably lasted way too long. You know, everything looks good right now. I mean, everything looks good. I mean, I got on last night. I said, you know, look at TRX. TRX is the only thing holding, but this pattern right here is insanely bearish. Like, this pattern is so bearish. It's crazy, right? I mean, look at this pattern is holy cow bearish. This is crazy bearish, right? This is the USDT. This is the Bitcoin chart. But this thing is freaking, all these dojis right here are so bearish. There's nothing bullish about that. VET hit my support and just kept going. XRP, I called this, same thing. So if you guys were watching last night in the stream, there's my XRP channel right here. Same thing. What the WTF, look out, very bearish candle combo, call the doji down setup. And there's my call right there. Boom, and played out perfect, right? And it's actually playing out just like a double doji right now, right? up, check out the double doji, first fall, get the bounce, and then one more fall out. Now you're just going to have to see where this is going to play out because you're coming right back into the support area of XRP. So this is XRP. You're coming right back in. I drew this wedge. This was the initial wedge for this RSI setup right here. And then look, it turned into resistance on the top side. So this bottom, this was this bottom line right here, trend line, then bam, right? I said, hey, I want to see this lower and then bottom up to moon up like this. We got the moon up, right? But then it just got wrecked by the top of that line. So still here, still chugging along, right? Yeah, still. So the still has not gone into the support band. Right, this still hasn't gone into the support band right there, so I just keep an eye out. BCH just keeps going. This was a perfect call right here. Saved the member a bunch of money. What's his name? He was in it. He made 2 BTC. I said, get out, take your profits. Right? Get out, take your profits. And you guys can see where that call was made. Where is it at? There it is. I said, so here we are, we're talking. He made 2 BTC on this right here. I said, set stop loss or take profits. It hit the 618. Bam, hit the 618. Just got rejected, right? So made a killing. One of the members made exactly 2 BTC, give or take on this trade right here. Very nice job, Frazier. Very nice, buddy. Okay, but this support line's got to hold now to catch that bounce. I will be looking to buy the bounces on this. Okay, LTC up. Did this still? You know, you pull this all the way down here. If it holds this support line, I would see a final A, B, C bounce like that. Not looking good. Did the same thing. Double doji, and then take a look at the RSI right here. See my RSI band? I threw this in right here. I threw this in this. And there we go. LTC. So take a look right here. Boom, boom, boom. Let's see if I have an earlier one. Right? There's an earlier one. Boom, up to the C wave. Look, looking for the D wave. And look at, there it is. Look, A, B, C. Now you just got to come up here. Right? Because I didn't know where the top of that was. I just got to come up here and then there you go. See how perfectly that played out? It's so easy. Trading is just so easy, guys. This just gets so easy, right? Right? Perfect. Flag. Channel on the RSI. Okay. Now, if this is you're coming down looking for the bottom of this again, that's ugly right there, okay? So let's really keep an eye on that. Raven, doing good. Good job, Raven. And EOS, I said ETH, so I told everybody, I said, look, I said ETH is by far the weakest. Like, it just didn't get a bounce, retraced. I said this, I mean, there's just no, right? Where's it at? ETH looking weak compared to everyone else, right? It just couldn't get it up. And it just doesn't have the balls. ETH has got no balls. Everybody is afraid to touch it is exactly what I said. And it's true. ETH is just, I think it's people are just afraid of ETH right now. Right? They're afraid that people, the ICOs that are still taking ETH can just dump it on their ass. And nobody wants that. That's so brutal, right? And let's take a look at EOS. EOS hit support, just chilling on the support right there. This goes down. You've got your support levels. There's nothing else. That's all you got to say about it. Okay. You know, like I said, you've got to still break out on these higher time frame charts. So you got to go all the way up here. You got to break out. So you broke out in USD. You have not broken out in USDT though. So you got to break these lower levels for this to really continue on bearish. This is unprecedented dump. Unprecedented. Okay, for me and the Vamp and all of us at Until 1 Mil, including Peak, thank you so much being here and moderating for me, brother. Really, really appreciate it. I am. Oh, we have. This is the last day. We're doing the 20% off for the. This is our very last day. We're doing the 20% off deal for the packages. We have the bull and the bear. I have send me a DM. This is the very last day. We'll do 20% off for everybody. Okay. Yeah. Send me a. You got to DM me. I will change that right now, dude. Everybody and their mother Chase sends that to me. I know. I will go up there. I will edit my profile. I swear. Let me get this damn thing off here. I'll get this damn thing off here. The website is down, right? Right. So the website is down. I'll just say DM me for. To join. Okay, and there we go. Saved. Thank you all so much. Really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Listen, all I ask is for everybody who's watching, I don't want any damn money from you, right? I don't want any money from you. All I ask is that you please give me a retweet. Just give me a retweet. Give me an FF. That's all I ask you guys. I put these videos up. They're completely free. I do it every day, multiple times a day, as much as I possibly can. All I ask is to please go out there, help us save one trader at a time. That's it, guys. It's so important that we save every single trader for the bull run. All those traders we save out there who are getting bad information and bad TA, right? I swear to you guys, we are going to save them, and we're going to, when the next bull run comes, those guys are just going to add liquidity into the market and help all of us out to go and buy those super pretty cars and move out of our mom's basement and finally get girlfriends with all their teeth, right? I mean, there's a big, I'm not saying that's a good thing anyways, right? The no teeth thing is not necessarily that bad. But, all things being said, please, do me a favor. That's all I ask. Give me an FF. Give me a retweet. And thank you all so much. And for all the no teeth women out there and us at Until 1 Mil, always giving the good loving, I am out.